Hey everyone, it is a warm and humid start to this Thursday afternoon, and of course tomorrow is finally Friday. We're not quite there yet, we're almost to Friday, and right now things are looking pretty quiet on the radar. We did see a few small streamer showers north of Raymondville, but it should be dry for the rest of this afternoon. Look at the temperatures. Currently it's in the lower 90s across the board, but when you factor that humidity into the air temperature, it feels even hotter. It feels like a sauna outside. Feels like 105 in Rio Grande City, 106 the heat index in Brownsville, 101 in Weslaco, and it feels like 103 in Raymondville. Here's your day planner forecast. It is hot, it is humid, but at least not as breezy or windy as yesterday. 96 is your temperature at 3 p.m. with partly cloudy skies. So if you're outside, still take it easy and drink plenty of water. Still very warm at 6 p.m. and very humid or quite humid with a temperature of 90 degrees. And then it's just warm and muggy at 9 p.m. with a temperature of 83 under partly cloudy skies. We will see increasing clouds overnight. Want to let you know that this Saturday, June 1st, it is of course the start of hurricane season, and it's also our Rio Grande Valley Hurricane Ready Expo. This year it is at La Plaza Mall in McAllen inside the old Joe Brand department store location near the food court. It is this Saturday, June 1st from noon to 5. We'll have exhibits and activities for the kids as well as Storm Fury, always a fun event for the kids. So join us this Saturday, June 1st at La Plaza Mall in McAllen inside the old Joe Brand store from noon to 5 p.m. Here's the service map. Things are pretty quiet in the valley, but to the north, we've been seeing some pretty nasty weather in West Texas thanks to the front. Still a severe thunderstorm warning in parts of West Texas, and then some showers and thunderstorms moving past Houston and Beaumont thanks to this front. This front's going to ooze into South Texas, but then just stall out. So for us, really no cool down, sadly. It's going to stay warm and humid for this weekend, but look at the temperatures well north of the front. A nice, cool 64 in Midland, 68 degrees in Amarillo. Right now, 76 in Abilene, 78 degrees in Dallas-Fort Worth, but a very warm 88 in Houston and Laredo and 78 degrees in El Paso. So here is Future Track. The same front stalls out just south of San Antonio and near Corpus Christi, and it lingers. So because of that, and thanks to the sea breeze also, we're going to put in a little better chance for some showers and thunderstorms. At least it's better than no chance of rain for the next couple of days, but it stays warm and humid. We'll keep in a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm, as well as thanks to a little upper disturbance, rather surface disturbance moving right through the Gulf of Mexico. The temperatures will be in the low to mid 90s each day, and we keep in that small chance for some showers and thunderstorms as well for Monday and Tuesday of next week. So today it should be dry now, but a 30% chance of some sea breeze showers or thunderstorms tomorrow, and a 20% chance of rain on Saturday and Sunday. Here's Future Track. Now this model wants to go crazy with the rain overnight west of the valley and in the mountains. I think it's going to be pretty much quiet for tonight, but for tomorrow, thanks to the sea breeze, here's 3 p.m. We could see some isolated or some scattered showers or a thunderstorm, especially in the lower and mid-valley. But if you have plans tomorrow night, it should be okay for tomorrow evening as well as the overnight hours. On the water, small craft should use caution. We'll have winds out of the southeast at 10 to 15 knots. The bay waters are moderate to chop, and the seas 3 to 6 feet. Here's your first 4 and 5 AccuWeather forecast. Partly cloudy, just hot and humid with highs in the mid-90s. Then for tonight, the clouds come back overnight. It'll be warm and muggy with lows in the upper 70s. And over the next 7 days, it stays hot and humid with high temperatures in the lower 90s Friday and Saturday. We'll keep in a 30% chance of some isolated thunderstorms Friday and a 20% chance of some isolated thunderstorms Saturday and Sunday. That is your first 4 and 5 forecast. Now here's Gabby.